Welcome back, guys. We're going to continue to learn about semantic markup in HTML. And in this video, we're going to learn about citation and definition. So let's get into it. So guys, when we have to reference a film, a book, or a research paper in our paragraph, we use cite element for that. And cite element indicates that where the citation is from. So let's look at a quick example. So let's say that I'm writing this paragraph, and in this paragraph I'm writing about the famous painting Mona Lisa has, and I'm writing, let's say the famous painting Mona Lisa was made between 1503 to 1509. So as you can see, we are citing a famous painting, a piece of art, and for that we can use the cite element. So I'm gonna quickly cut it, add our cite element in here, and put Mona Lisa between the cite element. Let's run it in the live server. And if you look at the live preview of this HTML, you can see that Mona Lisa, the piece of art, has been italicized. So that's what browsers do. Browsers render the content of cite element in italics. As you have talked before, that it provides no presentational value. It just adds the semantic information to our HTML. So now let's talk about the DFN, the definition element. So if you are writing a definition such as a terminology or an academic concept in a paragraph, we use definition tag or DFN tag for that. So let's look at an example of that. Let's say we're writing a paragraph, and in that paragraph we're talking about a definition. Let's say, let's take an example from chemistry. So the construction of complex chemical compounds from simpler is called chemical synthesis. So now this terminology, chemical synthesis, it is a definition. So for that terminology we can use the DFN tag. So if we just add that here, and we can cut it, put it in between those open and closing elements, and if we were to see in our browser, we can see that it has been italicized. So that's what some browsers do. They italicize the content of a DFN tag. So this is a little bit about cite and definition elements in HTML. And as we have talked before, no representational value. This is all semantic information that is usually useful for people who are blind or people who are accessing it from a mobile or PDAs. That is it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video.